Everyone, welcome to Vasoltar Prediction. I hope you like this reading. I hope this resonates with you. If it doesn't, kindly check out the other YouTubers, guys. This is the reading for the month of July 2021. It's a situationship reading. That means it is either related to career or relationship. This time it is going to be different. First 10 days of July, one card. Second 10 days of July, the another card. The third 10 days of July, the third card. Okay, so yeah, it will be career and relationship. Okay, if you wish to book a one-on-one personal reading with me related to career, relationship, situationship, the details are given in the description box below. If you wish to enroll, the details are given in the description box below. If you wish to have Vastu session with me, the details are given in the description box below. Let's check it out, what's going on with you. This is for let's say, actually I was confused, guys. So I must have said Cancer, but by mistake. So I'm going to do the reading for Gemini's first. Okay, this is going to be the reading for Gemini's first. Okay, Gemini and then Cancer. Okay, so yeah, Gemini, career, 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 relationship, relationship, relationship. Okay, so basically in career, okay, this is the career side. Okay, this three are for career, this three are for relationship. Okay, the first week of career, the first 10 days into career, you want to move on, you want to take action related to your career, either a new job, new business, new life, new opportunity. You want to take an action towards it, but first 10 days will be very stuck. You will feel stuck into a situation because you are not getting that new beginning into your career life. Okay, you know there's an opportunity coming towards you, but it's making a u-turn and going on. Okay, so that new beginning has been blocked in the month of July. Okay, 2021 basically. And you know, a lot of opportunities related to the career will be coming. You might be getting the job offers, you might be getting the new offers related to business, starting a new category into business, but that opportunity you will be seeking, it won't be getting, you know, the results you won't be getting, the output you won't be getting this month at least. Okay, because this is a universal blockage, not the blockage from the card side, but it's a universal blockage that a new beginning has been blocked right now. You will feel stuck into a situation. You will feel that where I should go, where I should not go, where I should proceed further, where I should not proceed further. That's the thing. The next card is that you should trust your intuition level a lot. If you are not trusting your intuition level, you need to trust your intuition level related to your career. If you are ready to, if you are thinking about making a decisions into your life related to your career, then you need to trust your intuition level a lot. Your third eye chakra will be opening, spiritual awakening will be happening. You are reaching to a higher vibrational level of your career life. Okay, of your opportunities, which is very good. But trust your intuition level. Suppose if you are juggling between two choices, two options, two connections, two decisions, okay, related to your career life, okay, related to the new opportunities, whether I should go ahead or not, then trust your intuition level in the month of July, guys. Okay, that will yield you good results. Your intuition will teach you very nicely, like you will get good results if you will follow your intuition level. Okay, so yeah, the next line is of relationship. Okay, so in relationship, guys, you are a Geminis, you are gaining a clarity, a lot more clarity. In the past you were juggling between your heart and mind. Okay, your heart was telling you something else, but your mind was telling you something else. So it was a lot of confused, there was a fight going on between head and heart in the past, but now you are gaining a lot of clarity related to a situation, okay, related to your person, related to your partnership. Okay, I am just seeing that there can be two two situations. Okay, if you are already in separation with someone, then a reconciliation might happen in the month of July, or you are feeling that energetically, that you are energetically connected, or you want to reconcile, or your partner wants to reconcile. It can be either that. But if you are in separation, a reconciliation process might happen in the month of July, either energetically or into the 3D world physically. Okay, you are more going to be stabilized. Okay, you will focus more on stability path. Okay, overall stability will be there when it comes to your relationship in the month of June, because your life is turning around. Okay, like a major changes, major shifts are on the horizon, or there might be a possibility in the month of July you will be having an expectation to change something, to shift something energetically. You are gaining a lot of feeling that you want major changes when it comes to your relationship. You want a happily ever after with someone, or you want a overall stability into your relationship. Okay, but that changes are not happening in the month of July, or it is being blocked right now in the month of July. Okay, that might be the case, but energetically you are feeling that vibrational level. Okay, when something is about to change, no, you start getting that vibration from few months back only. I'm telling you that, because I myself goes through a lot of anxiety issues if major changes and major things are about to change into my life. Okay, so major wheel is turning into your favor. Might not be this month, but energetically you will feel a lot of changes, or you might be seeing 111, 222, 333, you got a lot of universal numbers. Why? Because a major change is up on the horizon for you. Okay, related to your relationship. If you are in separation, or reconciliation might happen. If you are dealing with a third party interference, then a lot more stability is going to turn into your favor. The wheel is going to turn into your favor very soon. Okay, and third party might get released off very soon, in few months or few weeks. Okay, Geminis, this is the relationship part. Okay, so guys, I hope you like this reading. I hope this resonates with you. If it doesn't, kindly check out the other YouTubers, guys. But before that, I just want to tell you that what's the life purpose. Okay, like what you need to focus on in the month of July. In the month of July, you need to be your own leader. You might start something new, start a new business, new entrepreneurship business. Okay, related to entrepreneurship. You need to spend time with the nature and animals. Okay, and you might be having an NGO, or you might be working with an NGO. Few of the Geminis. Author. You are the author of your own life. You might write a book soon, or you might be a blogger, or you might be an author, or you might be someone who is into writing. Okay, your angels are protecting you. There is a divine guidance interfering into your life. Okay, like divine time is on the horizon for you. Divine timing. You might get involved into the books, like into the books in the sense that you might be very studious. You might be spending time in studying books and all, or you might be spending time for afforestation, or spending time with working with flowers. And if you're working with flowers, then working with flowers opens your heart and brings blessings to others through your life purpose. Whatever your purpose is, then flowers is just like blossoming your life. Okay, spend time with flowers, nurturing them, taking care of them. Okay, so you will get your life purpose automatically. Okay, so yes guys, I hope you like this reading. I hope this resonates with you. If it doesn't, kindly check out the other YouTubers, guys. Kindly like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye.